Today we'll be installing an EcoHitch part number X6008S, which features our exclusive stainless steel receiver on a Subaru WRX. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving us a like and subscribing for future installs. Starting off, remove the 10 clips located at the bottom of the bumper. Remove the 2 push clips located in the arch of each wheel well. Pull back the trim to expose a screw, then remove it. Open the trunk and remove the 2 clips located inside the corner of the taillights. Pull off the taillight covers and remove the screws located underneath. Pull the taillights out and disconnect the wiring harness. Starting from the outside and working towards the middle, carefully pry the bumper from the vehicle. Set the bumper in a safe location. Remove the 2 nuts and 4 bolts attaching the rear crossmember to the vehicle. Now you can raise your EcoHitch into place over the rear crossmember studs. Loosely secure the hitch in place with the factory nuts. Install 1 M10 bolt, washer, and lock washer into each of the 4 remaining holes. Ensure the hitch is centered and torque all the hardware. The bumper will need to be trimmed to create clearance for the hitch receiver. Follow the guidelines in your instructions to trim the access port. You will also have to drill a 1/4-inch hole in the knockout panel. Insert the 1/4-inch eye bolt through the spacer, knockout panel, and magnetic bracket as shown in the instructions. Secure the assembly with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Reinstall the bumper by starting on each end and working towards the middle. Once the bumper is back in place, reinstall the taillights. Then reinstall the previously removed clips in the bumper and wheel wells. Finally, slide the insert adapter into the receiver. Secure with the 5/8-inch bolt, flat washer, and lock washer. Your EcoHitch installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklets products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.